In this video, I will demonstrate to you how are we going to implement the MQTT topics in our client, MQTT clients, and then how do we implement the different ways in using the wildcards, the single level and the multi-level wildcard. So in doing so, kindly check again my code. If you still remember, I share these references to you along with my GitHub account. So kindly visit it again, and then from there you should be able to see that I added some files from there, and those files I named it pub1, pub2, pub3, pub4, and there's a sub1 .py file. So kindly copy those files so that it will be easier for you to follow through in my demo. So now in my Visual Studio Code, so they are already here now, the pub1, pub2, pub3, pub4.py, and also the sub1. So I'll open them, the sub1, the pub1 here. Um, so so basically this is the pub1 or the publishing client one, and then the second one or the other is the subscribe or sub1. Basically I'll it will just also subscribe to a certain topic. So now if you notice in the pub1, um, it's still basically the same with the previous examples that I shared with you, especially the sample publish.py. So I think they're just basically the same. So if we click this one, so this is the sample dash publish. So basically they are just the same, but what I did here is that here I defined a variable topic, and I initially set it to genre, PN, C1, CumLab, then temperature, and then I also set a, a fixed payload of 20 degrees Celsius, and then inside the onConnect function I put some print aside from the connect result code, connect with result code. I also add some comments here, like it will tell me that this is a publisher client, and then it will also show me what is the published topic and what is the payload, and then later it will then just publish it in every 1 second. So that's the pub1.py, and then for the pub2.py, actually they're just basically the same, but what I did here is I change the value for the topic and payload. So for the pub2, I put here genre, PN, C1, kitchen, and then humidity, and then the payload is 50%. So notice for the pub1, it will get the temperature in the CumLab, or it will publish, it will publish the topic temperature of the CumLab in C1, and the pub2, it will also publish the humidity of the kitchen in C1. And then pub3, the topic is on genre, PN, C2. So this is now for C2, kitchen temperature with a payload of 25 degrees Celsius. And then for the pub4, the topic is genre, PN, C2, CumLab, humidity, and then with a payload of 75%. Now, for the subscribe client, I just initially, so let me put it back and then comment this out. So currently I will subscribe to the topic PN C1 CumLab temperature, which is the same topic from the pub1. So that means if I would run this one, it should accept whatever are the topics being published by pub1. So save that one. So now how are we going to test it? So for this, I would prefer that we're gonna implement it using the command prompt. So just open the command prompt, and then you need to go to where the file was saved. So for my for my project, it's currently in Drive D. But for you, you should be able to identify where you store them so that it will be easier for you to trace it. So for me, I will go to Drive D and then folder development, and then under the development, that's where I put every projects. So Paho MQTT Python. So Paho MQTT Python. Okay. So if I print out the content, so there it is. We can see my pub 1, pub 2, pub 3, pub 4, and also my sub 1. So next, since there are 4 publisher and 1 subscriber, we will need to open several uh, command prompt windows. So to do so, first, let's just activate first the environment by typing env scripts and then activate. Okay, so now it is activated. Then now we will open the 4 other command prompts. So to do that, just type start and it will launch you a new command prompt, and but at the same time it's already running on the virtual environment. So just arrange it like this. We'll stack them in this portion. So okay, then we'll run the start again. So there's the third window. So we'll put it here. So in a way, it depends on how you would arrange it, but for me, I personally prefer to do it like this because I find it more organized. So I'll have to open um, two more um, two more additional command prompts. So here, okay, maybe I need to adjust it a bit. That one, and this one, and then okay, this, and also I will have to resize it, and then I will open the last one. So the last would be for my subscriber client. So I'll just place it here. Will let it occupy all of this space here. Okay, so now I will start to run them one by one. So for the first one, I will clear the screen, so CLS, and then we'll run the pub one. So to do that, we'll have to call up again. Oh no, we'll have to type. So we'll replace the activate with Python exe, and then we will call, or we will specify the file pub1.py. So okay, so as you can see, it prints out that this is a publisher client, and it published on the topic January PNC1 Comlab temperature. So we'll do for the second one. So we'll clear it first, and then we'll have to manually type for now env scripts Python, and then we'll call the pub2. Okay, then here we'll also run the pub3. Okay, so this is the pub3. Okay, so at least it will show us what are the topics they are publishing, and what are the payload that they are also included in this topic. And then here, the last publisher will be script Python, and then we'll specify the pub4. Okay, so now again, as you can see clearly the different topics that they were publishing. So this one, January PNC1 cum lab temperature. This one is Junri PN C1 kitchen humidity. The third one is Junri PN C2 kitchen temperature, and the fourth one is Junri PN C2 Kumlab and humidity. And also you can see they have different payloads, so at least for us to be able to identify them. So here now we will run our subscriber nb scripts python, and then we'll specify the subscriber, so sub1.py. Okay, now if you notice, I am currently subscribed to I'll exit it first so it will not kanang ano. Okay, so if you notice here, this is a subscriber client and it subscribed to the topic Junri PN C1 Comlab temperature, which is this one. As you can see, the first sub publisher. So that's why it's now printing the topic, that topic, so this topic, and also the payload, so that payload, because in our code we only specified to subscribe to that certain topic. Now if we want to apply the wildcards, let's say for example, let's try to apply the single level wildcard. So from here, I want to subscribe to let's say I want to subscribe to both temperature. So here we have Junri PNC1 Comlab temperature, and the other one we have Junri PNC2 kitchen temperature. So okay, C1 Comlab, C2 kitchen. So let's check if we can make it work. So to do that, okay, I will remove that. I'll copy, comment out, then save, and then I will replace, since what we want is the temperature, we want to subscribe to the temperatures, so I will replace that C1 with plus and the Comlab with plus. Let's save, and then okay, let's run it again. Let's clear up the screen first. Okay, so if I run this up, okay, so you notice now it's now subscribed to both Junri PNC1. Okay, let's stop. So if you notice, it now subscribed to the PNC1 Comlab, the Junri PNC1 Comlab temperature, and also the Junri PNC2 kitchen temperature. So in that way, I can choose to subscribe to only both of them. Now, what if I would want to subscribe to kitchen only? I only want to, what if I would like to subscribe to kitchen? So the kitchen is this one, the second publisher and the third publisher. We both have kitchens here. So to do that, if I want to subscribe to both kitchens, okay, I'll take that out, copy, paste, and then so in order to subscribe to both kitchen, I'll put here kitchen, and then we'll replace C1 with plus, and then the temperature also with plus. Then save that one, then let's run it again. Screen the screen, then run it again. Okay, so if you notice right now, we're able to subscribe to all the topics that includes the kitchen. So that's how we're using the wildcard. And now, what if I only want to subscribe to all the both C1 and C2, regardless of it's either a Comlab or Kitchen. I want to subscribe to PN. So to do that, here I will take this out again, copy, and then paste, and then I will so I mentioned I want to subscribe to both the C1 and the C2, so regardless of whether it's Comlab or temperature. So to do that, I'll replace it with this one. Okay, and then let's check. Let's run again the code. Clear the screen, and then okay. So if you notice, I am now subscribed to all of these four publishers by just specifying that and I specify that by just putting here Junri PN and then wildcard. So that's for the demo on how are we gonna implement the wildcards. For the next video, I will show you a demo on what will be the what you are required to implement for this activity.